River's Edge friends, families, and community. My name is Emily, and I'm a forest guide at River's Edge Forest Play. And today, with this fun activity, you will get to turn your backyard into an obstacle course. Obstacle courses are really great ways to challenge your body and also to work with your family when you're at home to create an obstacle course together. You can climb, crawl, go over, go through, spin, run, jump. So many things you can do with an obstacle course. So today, when you're making your obstacle course with your family, try and see how many different movements you can fit in. How can you challenge your body with your obstacle course? The other great thing about obstacle courses is that they're really easy to take down and then make a completely new obstacle course the next day. And you can do obstacle courses inside or outside, or pretty much anywhere you are with any materials. So I'll go ahead and show you an obstacle course that I made with what I could find around in my backyard. Here's a super simple obstacle course that I made. And you can make one that's longer or shorter. These are just a couple quick ideas for you. First we start the driveway and then come to this little tunnel that I made out of a sled and milk crates. Crawl through the tunnel, run to the ladder, you can hop through the ladder, and then come over to the hose where you get to practice some balancing by balancing on the wiggly hose. After you're finished balancing on the hose, then run to these chairs over here that I put a stick across and jump over those chairs and finish by crab walking back to the driveway. This is a fun but super simple obstacle course that gets you crawling through, jumping, balancing, going over, and crab walking. What can you come up with? When you're finished with your obstacle course, take a picture or a video and share it with us on Facebook or on our blog or on this activity. We would love to see the different unique obstacle courses that you all came up with. Thanks so much for joining us today. Bye for now.